So one product, 8 completely different customers, and $1.2 billion in acquisition in under 4 years. It's nuts. That's what Grüns pulled off, and nobody really understands in ecom how they actually did it. It wasn't a better supplement, it wasn't a big ad budget. It was one strategy that most brands never figure out. They took one product, the single greens gummies, and they made a perfect solution for completely different types of customers, all at the same time. Gut health, weight loss, kids nutrition, GLP-1 users, protein support, all the same product, but 8 distinct funnels, each different people feeling like the product was designed for them. And last month, my brand did over $10 million using these exact same playbook. I call it the persona funnel framework. So in this video, I'm gonna show you and break down step by step how Grüns actually did it, how they put it up, why it works, to give you the exact playbook to implement into your ecom brand today. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so in this actual lesson, I'm going to show you how Grüns went from 0 to $500 million valuation in literally 2 years. And they did it by creating persona funnels that speak directly to the individual pain points while selling the exact same product. And now they've mastered this art of positioning with this one product. They're a solution for multiple distinct problems in the market. And after I deconstruct their winning formula, this is going to allow you then to implement this strategy into your own business. And at the end, I've got an actual playbook that makes it really simple, really clear for you. But this is the future. If you're wanting to scale your brand to 100K a day, 500K a day, $1 million a day, whatever it might be, you're going to need to have distinct persona funnels and ads that support those funnels. And in previous lessons, I've taught you guys the spherical scaling system. This is the next layer on top of that. So first of all, this is the core strategy, right, that they have. They have one product, they have multiple stories. They sell this one product, which is a comprehensive greens gummy, but they position it for over 8 different distinct customer solutions. I'm going to show they're more than 8, but I'm going to show you 8 today. And each funnel they treat as one primary concern, which then builds the entire value proposition around solving that one specific concern. Everything from like general nutrition, they talk about the nutritional gaps from gut health to weight loss, AG1 alternative, GLP-1 support, kids, fiber, protein support, you name it, they're dissecting as much as they can, right? And this creates a lot of diverse creatives within their ad account, which allows them to spend more money and scale at the rate they did. So this is the main funnel, right? It's really broader. And this is what a lot of people do. They stick to this one broad strategy. That's why they can't scale. And their target audience here is just like general health conscious consumers with these nutritional gaps. And they're kind of telling them that, Grüns is going to fill in the nutritional gaps. And they have stay healthy with Grüns, fuel your health with Grüns. And what they seem to do really well is that they do a lot of partnership ads, which we push a lot inside of ecom architects, and they get different avatars pushing the same message. So then the avatar can relate to the video, and then that also helps them scale that account because they're very diverse. So as you can see, very general, and the landing page obviously always mirrors the persona and what the message is. You have nutrition gaps, Grüns fills them. Fairly simple.
Hey everyone, it's Matt here, and I want to take a quick second to tell you about ecom architects. Now, I have spent over $500,000 on coaching, and I wouldn't have been able to build our brand to $100 million without it. That's why I built Ecom Architects. It's the most comprehensive ecom coaching program and community in the world, where myself and over 15 different mentors and coaches will help you scale your ecom brand so you don't have to make the same mistakes like I did. We'll save you time and money. We'll provide you all the SOPs, the playbooks on everything you need scaled to $1 million a month plus, including product development, creative strategy, CRO, Facebook, leadership, international market expansion, you name it, we've got it. I built this for impact, not for profit. So it's so affordable, there's no contracts, and we guarantee to increase your revenue in 9 days or your money back. So click the link below in the description to learn more.
Now the next one, gut health, your gut's new bestie. And they target mainly women with digestive problems, constipation, bloating, and they have this landing page here. As you can see, it's like 6 main reasons why Grüns is your gut new bestie. And ads. So in terms of ads, again, they have women, young, old, they have image ads, trying to create different, avenues to attract their customer. They use direct language, like better poops seriously. That's one of the ads I saw that I didn't include. They scientifically use different focus points around the gut microbiome, and they need fiber, and they have 6 grams of fiber inside their product. And then they use education, like 70% of the immune system lives inside the gut. That's what these landing pages, when you click here underneath, shows. The next one's weight loss funnel, right? They target people on the weight loss journey. And once again, different avatars using the whitelisting or partnership ads, what you want to call it. Then they dissect that further, because then they go into if you're losing weight, then you're reducing your calories. And if you're reducing calories, you're probably getting all the nutrients that you need. So this is like, again, helping you support your weight loss journey, which then connects and resonates with a lot of people who are, trying to lose weight. And they give you 6 reasons why Grüns is a must to have on your weight loss journey. They have kids funnels. Once again, surprise. Another partnership ad. Now, don't just do partnership ads, but this is what we're trying to teach you guys inside of ecom architects and for our internal brand. So we want to make sure that we are cutting this up with whitelisting, partnership ads, how you want to call it, in the customer avatar that we're going after. And you see they've got here a young mum, they have older mums, they're targeting parents who want to give their kids nutritional support. And the hook is like literally superfood gummies that kids love, packed nutrition that parents trust. So more and more they target, different things like taste great, because they know that that's a pain point for a lot of parents trying to get their kids to eat vegetables. They can't. They have quality you can trust, because parents are concerned about what they're giving their kids, and they have all documentation and research to back that up. They talk about, how the kids need nutrition more than ever to be healthy. And again, the ad resonates with that persona. Fiber funnel, struggling to get enough fiber. Then they go into all the ways how, your daily fiber is messing with your body. Maybe it's affecting your energy, your cravings. Maybe it's you're getting bloated. Maybe you want to just poop better, better digestion, clearer skin. Once again, got a problem, an avatar, and then dissect that problem further about all the different solutions that this problem will fix once you use their product. And then again, same listicle. 9 reasons why Grüns is daily fiber upgrade your body actually needs and what's missing. AG1 competitive funnel. This is a great angle, and I think a lot of people can use this, right? They use comparison. A lot of people have this like comparison image on their websites, maybe some ads, but having comparison funnel all the way through about how they compete against AG1 in terms of price, convenience, point by point. And then obviously the landing page again resonates with them. GLP-1 nutrition support. They know that's going nuts now. And how can now Grüns support people who are actually using GLP-1s? Addressing certain side effects they might have. Again, when you use GLP-1s, you minimize the calories, minimize the amount you're eating because you have a reduced appetite. So now you're not getting the nutrients that you need. So then Grüns is a great way to support people with, taking these GLP-1s. And the landing page again, 7 benefits they love about it besides the poops. Protein support. Like literally they've gone as hard as they can on so many different angles. Like 5 reasons why your protein isn't working. Stop wasting your protein. They talk about how much money you're wasting if you're spending, $1,000 a year on protein, but your body can't absorb it properly because it hasn't got the right nutrients to it. And Grüns helps you absorb your protein more. Another great avatar to go after. And here we go. So I've showed you about 8, persona funnels there, but I need you guys to understand the principles as to why it works, so then you can implement it into your own business. 1, they focus on a single problem. Don't overcomplicate it. It's a single problem. Consumers today are getting bombarded with so many different marketing messages, and you need to try and narrow down and focus on one at a time. Like, there's always an example that I use with Steve Jobs. He always spoke about how when he launched a new product, he focused on one feature per quarter in all his different marketing channels, through his press, his media, his ads. For example, the MacBook Air was released. He will talk about how it's the thinnest MacBook ever made. He wouldn't talk about the RAM, the processing speed, everything else. Every quarter was one message, which understood that consumers could really only take in one bit of information at a time. And this is why Grüns has done so well. They're not trying to advertise all the 8 different benefits to you at once. They're going after the one thing that you probably care about the most, and they're showing you how they solve for that, right? And then when they do that, they have a problem, they agitate that problem. We're telling you all the different stuff that happens because of this problem. Like constipation affects 15% of the population. Weight loss, when you're eating less, you need to maximize nutrients per calorie. They go into all these different things. Then they reframe the same product. So they're the same 60 ingredients inside the greens, but then they, reframe it as a gut health, as a probiotic fiber, as a weight loss product, as a protein enhancer. And then they use persona-specific language. Gut health, especially towards women, it's like your gut's new bestie. Not something that a male probably will resonate as much. Weight loss uses motivational kick, like kick cravings to the curb. AG1 uses like an efficiency-focused thing, like this is 1,000 times easier to maintain that habit. So you guys need to think about like what I'm trying to say here, and those 4 different pillars and how to make your persona funnel work. And I want to mention a couple other things why they're so successful, right? It's obviously the persona funnels, but also the product development. So they consistently innovate their product development. And what you guys need to do once you're on these persona funnels is understand why the persona is buying your product. And then you need to optimize your product for that persona as well. You know, they went for clinical things around superior absorption. No mess. Like people just found it hard to constantly mix stuff, and because they were probably drinking their creatine and other things, and they had to do a whole greens powder as well. The great taste. People didn't like the taste of the drinks. It's portable. You know what I mean? They can put a little. They made individual packet sizes. They didn't do like a whole jar. So then people take it with them when they're traveling or to the gym or whatever. It's also shareable because they're in individual packet sizes. They can give it to a friend. And they use this like multi-enemy position strategy. So essentially, enemy one is green vegetables. Like it's boring. People don't like eating them. They're hard. It's hard to cook, and people don't have time for that stuff. Then you have powders. Once again, taste, inconvenience, and their advantages across that. Then pills. How many pills you have to take to get like 70 different vitamins. So this multi-enemy approach allows them to also capture more market share against traditional supplements, green powders, and whole food approaches, simultaneously with the persona funnels. And then to back it all up, premium positioning with science credibility. They command a premium price in the market for their product because they're able to, first of all, position themselves as an authority and expert for solving that one product. They have all these claims in terms of how the product, absorbs the vitamins better. And they have all these different research publications as to what nutrition stuff you need to thrive. And all this allows them to ask that premium price, which gives them more margins to acquire customers, and increase their ability to spend more on acquiring customers, which allows them to scale quicker. So this is your persona playbook, right? This is what you guys have to do. First of all, pick your one hero product. I don't care if you have 10 different products. I want you guys to pick one hero product, right? Identify the 3 to 5 different personas. Who are they? What's their pain point? And then write persona-specific hooks. 6 reasons why this product is your gut specialty, whatever, must have for this diet success, whatever it might be. And then reframe that product as their solution based on the specific hook and the persona and the problem they have. Then build one persona landing page. Agitate the problem. Position yourself as a solution. Use persona testimonials. So advertising to, mums wanting to give the nutritional requirements to their kids. Then use mums on the page. Pretty simple. Clear CTA and create whitelisting ads matching that avatar. And then test and expand. Prove one funnel out, then replicate it. And then you want to innovate on your product to suit your personas. That is your playbook here. And I'm hoping this whole module and this lesson here is going to make you guys understand how important this is and how this fits into, your ad account in terms of the creatives you're trying to create, and how you can get your ads to go further because of that education process and you targeting one specific problem, one persona, and you can start scaling that out. And sure, maybe you won't have one ad that spends, 100 grand, but you'll have 100 ads will spend $1,000 a day. That's the way to win in 2025 and beyond. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you guys want more help or more lessons like this, reach out to us at Ecom Architects. We're happy to help.